Okay, today I'm unboxing something game-changing for marketers. Look at this. It's Optimize Your Marketing Creatives from AppSumo. I've heard it's an AI tool, but for boosting your marketing assets. Let's see if it really helps get more clicks, views, and sales. First, I'll open the dashboard and show you how it looks. Super clean interface, love that. Everything's easy to find. You upload your creative, images, videos, whatever you use. Let's try uploading a sample Facebook ad image. It analyzes the creative instantly. That's fast. Now it gives me suggestions to boost visual appeal. It says, increase contrast, adjust text placement, add a CTA. I can apply changes with one click. Super intuitive. Let's compare before and after. Wow, the new version pops. Colors are brighter, text stands out, looks more engaging. It even predicts a higher click-through rate for this version. I'm testing another creative, this time for Instagram stories. Again, fast analysis. Suggestions are tailored for stories format. It recommends a shorter headline and bolder font. Let's apply those. The result is definitely more eye-catching. I appreciate how it focuses on real engagement improvements. Now let's dive into the features that stand out for me. First, AI-powered optimization. It's not just templates it learns. Second, instant feedback. No more guessing what works. Third, actionable suggestions. It doesn't just critique, it helps. Fourth, it boosts click-through rates, my favorite metric. Fifth, it enhances visual appeal for higher engagement. Sixth, it's designed to drive more sales, not just likes. I love that it's so easy to use, even for beginners. You don't need to be a designer or data expert. The AI does the heavy lifting for you. I'm impressed by how much time it saves me. Instead of endless A/B testing, I get instant insights. It's perfect for marketers, business owners, and creators. If you run ads or post content, you need this tool. Honestly, I wish I had this sooner for my own campaigns. It would have saved me hours of tweaking and guessing. Now, a quick warning, don't ignore its suggestions. If you skip the optimization, you miss out on results. But if you follow the recommendations, you'll see improvements. I've already noticed higher engagement on my test ads. More clicks, more views, and yes, more sales. It's not magic, but it's the next best thing. I recommend starting with your lowest performing creatives. Upload them, optimize, and watch the numbers go up. Also use it regularly to keep your content fresh. The AI keeps learning, so your results improve over time. If you're serious about marketing, this is a must-have. Don't waste budget on unoptimized ads anymore. Try Optimize Your Marketing Creatives from AppSumo today. You'll get more clicks, more engagement, and more sales. Link in the description. Check it out before it's gone. I'm genuinely impressed and will keep using this myself. Let me know if you have questions in the comments. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next video. Happy optimizing!